all of these little
Right.
municipalities across BC, the mayors are calling out to the premier saying, we need to get our emergency departments back on track. We need more staff. And they still haven't hired back all, they haven't apologized, they haven't given back pay, they have not addressed the terrible abuse of the fired unvaccinated nurses. What they've done with the HPOA is, after acknowledging that when the employer fired those nurses, that was not lawful, that was improper, but now they've made it a condition of licensure. And so those same nurses, if they come back, well, they won't be able to renew their license because they haven't been vaccinated. And so the harm will simply be, done to them again. They
Right.
will be victimized yet again. What we need is public apologies. We need reparations. They need to be hired back. They need to have back pay. They need counseling. We need a public education program, and also an education program aimed at our elected representatives, so that they need to know, they need to have access to resources to help them identify their responsibilities vis-a-vis rule of law, democratic governance, because right now the legislation that's passing is undermining that. And that's
Right.
not in anybody's interest.